And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Have a great week, Sea Lions.
This is Sea Lion leader Gianni Codon with this week's announcement.
Read Across America is all day on Monday. You'll have a jester visiting you soon.
There is pageant stage rehearsal at 2:30 after school on Monday. The All-District Chorus Festival is this Monday night. Good luck to the Sea Lion Chorus on their big performance. The pageant technical rehearsal is happening on Tuesday at 2:30 after school. Wear your college gear on Wednesday because it's college day. The third grade music mobile is in the auditorium. Enjoy the assembly on Wednesday. The Jogathon's top class winners are having their pizza party at lunch on Wednesday. Yum. Pageant dress rehearsal is on Wednesday after school at 1:30. Pageant student assemblies are happening on Thursday. Enjoy the show. Pageant assemblies continue on Friday. Have fun watching the show. Pageant performances are happening on Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. Make sure you have tickets for this awesome event. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
I like how you're super funny and you always cheer everyone up and you're a good tech. Good tech guy. I got a robot.
Yeah!
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Tochioka wants to shout out Isabella Argueta, a UTK student. She says that Isabella did a nice job on her work when she labeled her pictures. She listened and followed directions. Great job, Isabella.
First grade.
Mrs. Lupescu wants to shout out Ruthie Welsh. She says that Ruthie is always flexible and never complains when things change. She has a positive attitude all day long. A great attitude can go a long way.
Second grade.
Mrs. Obert wants to shout out second grader Isaiah Sowles. She said that Isaiah had a super day and was such a helpful student. He's worked hard and was so attentive throughout everything.
Third grade.
Miss Cohen wants to shout out third grader Alora Rigger. She says that Alora is always super helpful. She helps me by making sure her kinder friends find their way back to Kids Corner every Monday. Thanks, Alora.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out fourth grader Ellie Vu. He says that Ellie has been amazing in problem solving. A student needed a homework page and she gave him one out of her own book. Thanks so much, Ellie.
Fifth grade.
Last but not least, Mrs. Bassich wants to shout out Sonny Arnold from Miss Alvarado's class, and she only has one word for him. You are amazing. Way to go, Sonny.
That's it for now, Sea Lions. Have a great week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.